Which is true.
God. You sure it's in my house?
Yeah, it's your house.
The kitchen didn't look this good when I bought it.
Sandra's the theater arts teacher at Ocean Springs for well over 20 years. And, you know, she gives the kids, she's been given to the kids in our community, and I think people don't realize how many hours teachers put in. And she's taken many of her classes to the state competition, the district, and won.
You like your new home?
I'm sorry. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What was the first thing I said to you when I walked in here? Do you remember? I said, this is going to be a blessing.
I'm just stunned. I couldn't have done better myself. You better write that down. Oh.
We were both involved as booster president and vice president for several years, and just developed a really close friendship with Sandra. She called on April 28th when we had that bad storm come through with the wind and hail, and told me what was going on, and I called Mike, and he said, no problem, I'll be there right away. She had no place to go. She could not really live in here right afterwards, so we've had her with us for 4 months, and I'm excited to bring her back home.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. This bed just looks amazing. It's amazing. I can't believe this. I just can't believe it.
The things that she's done for children all of her life. So having something this quality, that's what it's all about. And she deserves it.
The reason I'm speechless, and that takes a lot. Whoa, look at my shower! Awesome!
You happy with the colors?
Yes. I love the furniture.
We love you.
I love you too.
So you're home.
Yes. It is so open.
And there's your girl.
Those are my girls.
Yeah.
Live your life, I think, trying to help people. And you don't always succeed, because you don't always succeed in anything. And you get rewarded because you get a blessing, because somehow it comes back to you. Well, as we say in the Dallas, I'm in high cotton now.